Okay, so tonight we're going to go on to a different topic, a very interesting one called internet computing, and we're going to look at the project we're going to be looking at is actually it is the DFINITY project, and it's I believe it's funded by Internet Computer Developer Ecosystem Program, and this lets you run basically code to think of a distributor to AWS. Now we know AWS has some issues. If you follow conservative media, particularly in the U.S., you probably heard of the Polar issue, where, among other things, AWS decided to basically shut off Polar's servers. This is distributed. You know, can't happen. So we're going to get into this programming stuff, but what is it? You can create a full stack decentralized application that runs crypto. You got all kinds of things. So we're going to get into this a little bit, but I want to show you an example. This is like a social network, and for some reason it's not letting me. I did get an account last night, and it's not. The app, for some reason, decided it didn't want to cooperate. But I can show you, and this is the thing, you want to get an identity anchor. So you have to provide to authenticate. You can create, well, I guess maybe it is working now, but, so if you click here, you can give it a device name, you can create it, and then create it. It's tied to your device. So it has to happen, and also they'll give you like the passphrases, like with your crypto wallets, to put in a safe place, store safely. But like once you get into your account, you can connect other devices to it. So if you have 2 or 3 computers, you can tell them all about your identity. And this is like a social network type thing. A platform that belongs to its community. So this is the community. They have a hackathon. They have that they're talking about here, general discussions, showing the price event, talking a lot about crypto, and you've got someone where it looks like they photoshopped that in. Different things, bugs, so home, so you know, NFTs, all kinds of things. And this is where they discuss it. Here's the Developer Center. And you can very easily give it a spin. And I think that's going to be tomorrow's video. We can play around with this and notice npm install, our good old friend, Node. So this is how you would do your coding. Here's our technical documentation, building and employing DApps, a walkthrough. So they actually have a walkthrough, and this is all stuff we can go through together. They also have the technical documentation, internet computer blockchain overview. So how this works. The last limitless and for smart contracts, and it started in May, and now it's out there. Different the Mocato, that's the language that they're going to use, and they have a lot of videos on YouTube that go into great detail. So this is something that I think it's definitely worth us exploring. I think this is very exciting. essentially a distributed computing, really. So the plan is to get into this. If you go right to DFINITY.org, they have all kinds of things, how it works, like we just looked at, the Developer Center. And here, like I said, this little social app is kind of an example of something you can do with it. So anyway, hopefully you found this interesting. And I think it's going to get really exciting. Like I said, tomorrow night, what my plan is for us to get into this developers docs and start just getting our feet wet and see what it is. Yeah, these are examples of apps. Oh, they call it a Reddit. Okay, a LinkedIn. So this is some of the apps that are already out there. And like I said, we're going to go in tomorrow and start looking at the Developer Center, start coding, and take it from there. There's a lot to explore here, and get this thing going. So anyway, if you found this helpful, please give a like. Please subscribe to the channel. Please ring the bell to get further videos. Please tell your friends about it. And if they're into this stuff, please tell them about some of these very interesting projects that we've been covering here. I know there's another one also that a viewer had mentioned to me that looks promising. I think it's called Solidity. But that looks like another interesting project to take a look at, but that I think I need to do a little bit more reading. It looks a little bit more involved. This looks like something, first of all, it's exciting, it's different, and second of all, it's something we can get started right quick on. So anyway, I will speak to you next time, and take care.